Alright folks, I'm going to do a unboxing video for my new Elegoo Saturn. Just came in today. Uh, Initial observation is this is the exact box that showed up on my doorstep from UPS. So this is how it's going to come. So if you have any problems with people taking your Amazon packages or things like that, if your house maybe has just an open porch like mine, um, definitely want to be aware because everybody's going to be able to see exactly what's in the box because it's all labeled. So let's get started. Okay. There's a phone. 3D printer. Nice little manual. Excellent. Okay. Extra FEP. I don't know how much they give you. Looks like 2 sheets of extra FEP in here. That's cool. Looks like a box of toolkit. What's over here? A discount card. 10% off from my mini factory. Looks like extra screws, Allen wrenches. Very nice. Some gloves. We all need more gloves. And a little plastic beaker. Ooh, a scraper. Very nice. A nice handled little Allen wrench. Power cord. USB drive. We'll see how big that is later. Looks like the power supply here to go with that power cord. Micro shear. Okay. Pair of nippers. Screw clippers for clipping off your supports off your model. Very nice. I have plenty of these. It does feel like a nice one. Nice and sharp. Very nice. Not too shabby. Of course, a pack of the little filter cone thingies. I got plenty of those from using my old Photon. 2 masks, just in case you needed some for COVID and didn't have any. A plastic scraper. And leveling paper. Let's see here. Take out the printer carefully. So some instructions on leveling, and I guess you use this piece of paper. Fascinating. Okay. So let me remove all of this stuff out of the way. I'm going to turn it up so you can see it. There we go. So, nicely packaged. Looks good and secure. lid. It's got a protective film on it. Aha, okay. Very nicely done. Here's our build plate. Oh, how sweet it is. Very nice. So, all the upper parts are, it's like anodized, and then it just seems to be polished. Okay, so it looks like your leveling system is 2 big bolts here. That's what the larger Allen wrench is for. And then that's your tightening down to the head there. Okay. Very interesting. So we've got some protective film on the screen. Okay, those come out. There's the tray. Nice metal tray there. Very nice looking. Protective film there. Okay. Somebody can measure the frequency of that drum action there. Determine the exact tightness for us, whatever that is. So that's interesting. I like how they've done that. You've got a little pouring slot right there. Really cool. Please peel off this film before printing. So again, there's another protective layer of film over the actual glass plate, obviously. So we'll peel that off. Gonna turn it around and take a look. Elegoo model number Saturn. So there's our power switch. Ethernet jack, 2 fans. You can see the stepper motor inside there through those holes. Power plug. USB port on the side. Interesting. Looks like you can see some vents for some heat sink action there underneath. Looks like heat sink through those little cuts in the bottom. It looks like they're attached right there. Dual rail system, very nice. Okay. Looks like you've got a panel here you can open up. And you've got, looks like a set of screws here to get access to the interior. Some good rubber feet on the bottom. Okay. Well, I've already got my photon cleaned up and put away. So I'm going to go ahead and I've done a print of the Amerilabs Town off of my photon. I'm currently using the Anycubic Black Basic resin. So I'm going to try to find the right cure time for the Saturn so I can have a direct comparison with that little calibration town from Amerilabs. So I will either take some video or some pictures of the results. Chitubox says it's supposed to take about an hour. On the Saturn, it took about 2 hours on the Photon. So we'll see how it goes.